would like to break down this, how we got to this FVG, another block. In the next few minutes, when we have more viewers, I would like to break down how we got to this other block and the FVG in a 15 minutes time frame, which is the best time frame to enter trades. This is GBP JPY. This video is not for scalpers. It's not for scalpers. For those that want to enter a long trade. Now, we are going to start from the weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame. And in the weekly time frame, I know some people don't even trade, don't even start from the weekly time frame. You have to know the general view of your trade before you start. You enter any trade. In the weekly time frame, there is a support here on this gold line. So from there was a rise, a very strong rise there, which broke this structure here, broke this structure here, broke this structure. You can see that. Now, after breaking this structure on a weekly time frame, this is a very big time frame. So let's go back down to daily time frame and see what's happening. You see, down here was when we got our double bottom, this gold line here, double bottom. Then going back to where we are, this wave has been for a long time. Now it has gotten to this place. Now there's a break of structure here too. This white line here, there's a break of structure there. Let's go back to a lower time frame, H4. That's 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, you can see there's a clear divergence. A divergence is a sign that there will be a reversal. You can see the divergence. Let me draw it with the RSI. This is a divergence. And in this divergence, it just started. If you are the kind of person that like to take a risky trade, please, with a very big lot size, don't do that. Just wait a bit for a little reversal for those that want to enter a trade, because on this 4-hour time frame, which is not my entry time frame, you can see we are waiting for it to break this structure, break here. Once it breaks this structure, this line here, this white line here, then we know that is a confirmation there is an uptrend for a while, because the uptrend is going to last for a while. You can see I took a trade already, and this is where I'm taking my profit. This is where I'm taking profit. I don't want to wait until it gets to the other block here, this other block up here. I will wait. You see, I will take my profit there, and here now this price is reacting to another block on a smaller time frame. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. This is a 15 minutes time frame. You can see this long wick here, over here, touching this other block here, this ash other block here, passing through the FVG to the other block. Now it has touched here. Now is the best time for you to enter a trade if you want to. This is a 15 minutes time frame. Now to have a perfect entry, let's go down to 5 minutes time frame. can see on the 5 minutes time frame, still same thing. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. Network. Network. You can use a little lot size like 0.02 depending on your account. You can use 0.4, 0.3, or 0.5 if you have a big account. Use, when I say account that's more than $1,000, you can use a lot size is not too big. Watch your account. Let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. This is up, up. Take your profit here. 212.183. 212.183. You can, it's a long, it's going to be a long trade. You can see it's an uptrend. The general trend at the end of it was after some days, but for now it's an uptrend. It's an uptrend. An uptrend. You can see a higher high, a higher low, higher high, and a higher low, then a higher high here. I think the consolidation below there is over. So there will be a movement now to the upside. You can take trade now. Take your trade now, or wait for a confirmation to cross that white line. Allow you to get to the white line, cross the white line, then come back and retest a new order block that will be formed. Burn your account. Just take your trade at the right spot. It's an uptrend. It's an uptrend, and we're expecting it to go across the white line. The white, the current higher high. We are expecting to go get there, and that's what it's going to do. It's going to do it and break that structure there, the upside. So you can take a trade now and put your stop loss just below the longer wick, which is just here. Let me put your stop loss below here. Below the order block. Put your stop loss there. I don't think it will ever come there again, but put your stop loss there. Take a trade now and set your stop loss just below the order block. Take your trade now. Set your stop loss below the order block. God, take your stop loss. Set your stop loss at 208.509. 208.509. Take your trade now. You're not trying. And set your take profit at 212.183. 212.183. 212.183. Your take profit. It has tested this reversal, has already touched the order block, has crossed the FBT, and now there's a reversal. There's a reversal upwards to the upside. Like I said, it's an uptrend. You can see it's an uptrend. At this point here, in the 15-minute time frame, it failed. You can see that it failed again. Failed here. We made a divergence here. You can see divergence. There's a divergence here with the RSI. With the RSI, there's a divergence over here. You can see, and when a divergence occurs like this, you know there is a change of direction. There is a change of direction. What's a divergence? Two lines walking in opposite direction. Two lines walking in opposite direction. You can see this was the one here up here giving us the downtrend, the first movement. Why the one down in the RSI is giving us an uptrend movement. That's the sign for the divergence, the reversal. And here it was supposed to give us a break of structure here. It's supposed to give us a break of structure over here. Maybe down to this place. But it failed. Instead it started going up. It's taking to a higher height and a higher low. We have the current situation of GBPUSD. A perfect entry point for you. A perfect entry point for you to take a trade. Take a trade here. Take a trade now. There is no later. Wait for the next order. Take a trade now, or wait for the next order block. The order block here has been mitigated already. This is a 15-minute time frame. The order block here has been mitigated, and there's a confirmation that reversal. GBPJPY is a good trade. very good trade. It's a good trade. You can see it's going up. Now in the RSI, I'll put a line to show. In the RSI, I'm going to put a line to show you the 50% movement on the RSI, which is very very important to identify oversold or overbought. So we'll set it at 50, 50, 50. Save. This gold line on the RSI is the middle of the RSI to show, to signify whether the trend is going upwards or downwards. The line on the RSI is just above the 50% of the RSI. It shows that we are on an uptrend. We are on an uptrend, not a downtrend. Not a downtrend. The correctional movement is over. The correctional movement is over. It's time for a reversal. Always learn how to take your entry from the 15 minutes time frame. From the 15 minutes time frame. Make your focus from the 4 minutes time frame. It gives you a perfect entry point. It helps you to know when to enter a trade.